Morning. So the van looks like a battlefield because all the stuff is still drying and not really sure where, and the weather is not promising. It's cloudy, and as we see, so we've put the shoes out. I've put some old shirts and socks in there to soak up all the water, and I've got a headache because I didn't drink any coffee, so I've got caffeine withdrawal. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen today. But what I do know, everything will be very slow. Probably get a lot of editing done, and I can barely walk. That's the worst part. Probably move over to the other spot later, get another shower maybe. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't really film much because we're out of storage. But yeah. Lunch today, or breakfast, lunch. Today is very, very simple. Just having a couple sandwiches. I already ate 2, but I'll show you guys. And then get some editing done. Yeah, you too. Thank you very much. I have no idea. Probably. I'll just look at the map where the next campsite is and then probably drive there. Maybe I'll have another night there. Not sure. The lamp last night was already sold out, so I went for the burger instead.
Oh wow. Was it nice?
Yeah, it was a burger, as you expect. Was not bad, so nothing to complain. Right, so as I was saying, we are just having the sandwiches and then get some editing work done and then see what happens. Right, the video is exported and uploaded, and now it is just before 6, so it's time for a dinner kind of thing. And the idea is to make a huge omelette with a bunch of potatoes, leek, chili, obviously eggs, and some garlic. Yeah, I'm not sure if we need a bigger one. Right, for the rest of the day, I'll edit some videos and then get to bed. It's quite windy, finished all the dishes, 7 o'clock. And yeah, that's it for today. Not really much happened again. Been resting my leg for the most part, to be honest. It's going much better, but it still hurts if I bend it straight. But it's much better than this morning, so I hope tomorrow I can walk again, essentially.